Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram no sound. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram no sound, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram here and you will enter like this. Then in this page here you will go to click for stop. After that, in this page you will enter to storage and here you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix Telegram no sound. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.